What's happening, guys? Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. We are back again, and what I've got here is a Ford Kuga on a 2020 plate, and we're going to go ahead and replace the headlight bulb. Dead easy. Should be able to do it outside your house. No tools required whatsoever. Let's go. I know you guys, what you guys thinking? What is that? Yeah, I've explained to you guys on my vlog. Okay, it's yeah, you know that wart that I had there. I'm trying to get rid of it. Okay. In progress, alright, so don't look into that. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and replace the headlight bulb. We're going to do the passenger side one. Okay, UK passenger side one. It is slightly harder than the driver side one. Because the driver side one, nothing in the way. You can dive straight in, no problem. Passenger side one, nothing in the way as well. Yeah, pretty much the same. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, guys, so this is the car in question, the Ford Kuga. Right, we're going to do the passenger side one. We're going to go straight in here. Okay, if you want, you can take this off, pull it off. It might come off. Will it come off? No, it won't come off. Right, so we'll leave it. Right, so what we do is just take this cover off, and I put up a little bit of a fight, keeping it real with you guys. Raul TV. Right, okay, so we go in this way, as you can see there. That plug, pull the plug off. This plug here, yeah, 2-pin plug, H7. Just give it a little wiggle. Boom, there we go. That comes off. Put the wire to the side. Right now, you can see this clip here. All you do is press down this way and up, and boom, there we go. The bulb should come straight off now, just like that. The pointer is facing downwards on these. Okay, so just bear that in mind. Okay, guys, sit rep. Situation report is I thought they're H7 bulbs. They're not H7. Okay, they are H18. Okay, H18, or what is it, H18? Yeah, it looks like a H18 bulb. Okay, they've got a little cutout there, a little notch there. Can you see that? Okay, which is absolutely stupid. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut a little notch out there. Cut a little notch out, and then it should be all right. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. Okay, this is the modification I've done. I could just go and get the bulb, proper bulb, right? But I haven't got it. Right, okay, so what we've got is we've got a normal H7 bulb. I've just cut the little corner off there. Okay, it should do the job. Right, so we're going to go in there this way. Okay, so what we do now is, all we do is just put that in there, into the cutout. Boom, can't get it wrong. Where's the clip? There's the clip. Clip goes over like that. Okay, and then there we go. Happy days. All on. I mean, like I said, I thought they were H7s. Okay, I thought they were H7 bulbs. They're not H7s, they're H18, I think, for some reason. Right, let's get this plug back on. Can't really get that one wrong as well. Okay, plug's on. Get the cover back on. Okay, can't really get that one wrong as well. And yeah, after the cover's on, let's try it. Should be okay. So guys, all done and dusted. The Ford Kuga 2020 plate headlight bulb replacement. Obviously I know what you guys are thinking, and I know what you guys are saying. Why didn't I just get the proper bulb? I haven't got it. I haven't got it. They're thinking I have to order it, or it's going to take another hour to arrive and everything. So I've used the H7, cut the edge off, because it's pretty much the same. Okay, where's that bulb gone? I've lost the bulb now. I've lost the bulb. Right, there we go. That's the bulb. Okay, so as you can see, it's a normal H7 bulb, but they've decided to put a little cutout there, a little notch there, this bit here. Ford, they thought they'll be clever. The whole world is using the H7 and whatever bulbs or whatever, right? Okay, and they thought we'll use the H7, but guess what we'll do? We'll put a little cutout on it and charge them for a special bulb. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.